Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you're all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can watch Hulu without ads, so let's get right into it. First and foremost, Hulu is an online streaming service akin to Netflix, where you can stream series and films online, and sadly, it is only available in the US since there are licensing issues which prevent them from being available globally. However, nonetheless, it is still very cool, and you can even watch it globally by using a VPN. Now, Hulu, as with any other service which you pay for, probably, Hulu has ads, so you might want to, of course, circumvent that, let's say. The way that you can watch Hulu without any ads is pretty simple. It's pretty much the same as watching YouTube without ads, since ads can be very, very annoying. However, let me get right into the nitty-gritty of how you actually circumvent ads. Now, as you can see, I'm using a article I found online as an example, and these are the steps that you have to see or to follow. You can block ads just simply by using an ad blocker, such as AdBlock or AdBlock Plus. If you're using Opera GX has a built-in ad blocker, so you can use that. You can use a lot of different ad blockers. You can use the Hulu ad skipper as well, and so on and so forth. But yeah, as you can see, you can use a browser that blocks ads, such as Brave, Opera, Microsoft Edge, and Firefox, and so on and so forth. You can use external apps, and so on and so forth. I would just recommend installing a extension for Chrome or Opera in the form of an ad blocker. And yeah, you can also open Hulu into tabs, which you can just exploit it pretty much. You can play one tab and then set the mute button for the ad, and so on and so forth. There is a lot of different ways. You can also pay for Hulu no ads as a subscription, and so on and so forth. And yeah, that's pretty much it. See ya.